This is the 66 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham I've been posting about here lately. Car's pretty solid, I think. I mean, as you can see, you'll see in the video that the roof's pretty bad, but all in all, I think it's fixable with the right skill set and know-how, or people, or even money. So, but here it is. It's a 66 Cadillac Fleetwood, and the light's gonna be terrible here in just a minute, but I apologize for that. And there's some pictures of it on Facebook, I guess, but I mean, it's not too bad. The worst of the worst is, like, I mean, right here is bad, but I'm sure it can be fixed. And there's probably some more stuff under here that's even worse than I expect. And the roof is all tore up. But here's another spot right here. Right there. Another shot of the roof. Inside the trunk doesn't look too awful bad. There's some rust over there, some rust right there. I'm not quite sure what this doohickey goes to. It goes to that thing there, and it comes over to the trunk, so I'm assuming it's some type of power lock or power trunk situation. I don't know a whole lot about these cars, never really mess with one. I acquired this one though, and I kind of like it. Interior wise, I don't know what's stock and what's not stock, but it has, so it says it only has like 39,000 miles on it. It has wipers. It has like a rear defrost situation. I'm not quite sure. I guess this is something to do with the headlights, auto dimming maybe. I don't know what all this is about over here. It's got some type of 8 tracks and some little doohickey back here, some switches and some other stuff right there. I believe the glove box works. That's the Cadillac emblem that goes on the hood. It's got some kind of crazy speakers in the floorboard over there on both sides. Got that clock. Got both the headrest in it. I mean, not headrest, sun visors. It's got this console, which needs to be cleaned. Door panels are okay, I guess. This one is by far the worst. Coming apart right there. The back, I took the fender skirts out the back seat, then actually put them on the car now. You haven't seen the pictures of that. It's got some lights back there, a light there. It's got these little feet rest in it. Not sure what you want to call these guys here, if they come open. Dinner trays, writing trays, something or another. Also the console, or center console right there. The leather is actually in good condition. I mean, needs to be cleaned, maybe conditioned. All the doors work. Not sure about electronic wise, because I haven't had it running yet. I mean, I've had it running, but I'm not sure what's going on with it. I should have made some videos on this part of it, but I'm assuming this is the Cadillac 429 7-liter Carter AFB carburetor, but I can get it to fire off by, starting it. It actually has the fuel pump unhooked, and not unhooked, but not coming from the tank, just has it in a regular 5-gallon tank of gas, and it pumped to this little glass filter right there. And the car will run, like I said, as long as you got your foot on the accelerator, but as soon as you let off, it dies. And I'm not sure, maybe somebody on here could tell me what this does. I'm assuming that's has to do with that auto dimming switch inside for the headlights, is what I'm guessing that is. Not really sure. Never mind my mess right there. Oh no, like I said, it sounds good. Sounds like when it rains, it sounds like it might have an exhaust leak. The guy I got it from did put pretty much 4 brand new tires on it. I do, and I also probably see all the hubcaps. Yeah, so let me know what y'all think in the comments, and like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And hopefully there'll be some more videos about it. Thanks for watching.